Hello guys, you are welcome back to Ruben Doris channel. You are watching Ruben Doris, known as the Marriage Solution. I hope you are all doing great. God bless you all, my lovely people of God. If you are just coming in, give me thumbs up, give me my like, share my video. As you are doing it, God will continue to be blessing you. God will continue to be promoting your heart desire. The hand you use is sharing, the hand you use is putting like, the hand you use is subscribing. Subscribe now. Go and subscribe so that whenever I upload any video here, you will be the first person to be notified. God bless you, my lovely people of God. Today matter, we are going to be talking of how to engage people. You know what is happening is engage. Na so they engage this girl, they engage the girl, they engage now. Na so the girl say not be so, they say no so. My dear lovely people, everybody have his or her own opinion. Everybody have his or her opinion. At times, this engaging of a thing, it does not guarantee whether the person will really marry you or not. That is why I say this one our matter. That is why I say people have been doing the video, I say let's bring our own opinion, because this our channel here is Marriage Solution. We talk about marriage, isn't it? So marriage of a teen is honorable by the Lord. It's not engaged that is honorable by the Lord. It's marriage that is being honored by the Lord, isn't it? So marriage of a teen, I know that through engagement can lead the person to marry you. You know, at times some men, they will engage some women in a really romantic way. They will do all sort of things to win the girl's heart. In an emotional way. The girl will even be sharing tears. The man will be sharing tears. They will engage the girl. After so many years of engagement, I've seen people like that. Let me show your name. Don't come after me. Put like put thumbs up in my video. So I'm not talking to you. So after all the engagement, after many years of engagement, the man will still not marry the woman. So I don't see a situation whereby how the boy take engage you, as he not take engage you, at the end of the day you will talk, you will say the for my opinion, I'm not using it to mock at it. For my opinion, whether as it engage you not like it. The anyway I support you, my beautiful lady. So I still support that my handsome bobo. You understand? You know, I support the both of you. At times, a girl, because she clear it, she make one point that this is her time. This is her own time. Wey she will take do her nyanga, wey she will take do her shakara. If she don't do her shakara now, if she don't born for the happen to marry the boy now, she don dey born, as she dey born, then the boy will come, she will come dey say as mama of the house, as we dey as mama of the house now. As you dey as mama of the house, maybe the boy no come dey mind you, you come dey, you know come dey, you dey feel say the boy no come dey mind you, not me. The boy no come dey mind you, and you don be mama. Let me tell you guys one thing. Let me tell you what you don't know about marriage. Marriage of a teen, my dear lovely youth, my dear lovely brothers and sisters, my dear lovely people of God. Marriage of a teen. If you want to marry somebody, marry from your heart. Not marry because the person have money, because this person have one particular thing. No, marry from your heart. Simply this person pleases you and you please the person. That's the secret of marriage. Then when you are now together, it will not look as if the time when you never born or the time when you don't born, because that lady was making one statement that one comment that if you don't dey born now, the man no come dey kneel down from. No, if the both of you are in love, the marriage will be, it will be renewing itself every day. Diggy, put like in my video. Yes, it will be renewing itself every day. because the love is still there. It's not fake marriage. It's not fake love. If the emotion is there, you understand, you will stay by each other's back. Hmm? You will stay at each other's front. Nobody is in between the marriage. That kind of marriage is always romantic, and the way of making the marriage to be so romantic and more love. The at times you shower each other with just minor gift, minor gift. I'm just giving you guys the expo. Say for example now, the day of the birthday of your fiancé, you just go and buy one little, not that the thing is too, I am not saying you go and use million euro to go and buy birthday gift. No, there are some certain things wey you know that this guy will like. You just put it in the where he will get it. You understand? Put it where he will get it. E just, even though e just little something, put it where he will get it, where your husband will get it. Where your husband get it, he will make use of that something. Those are the things that normally renew love. The boy with the man or the guy will be thinking that this woman, after all this plenty children, this woman still love me. Also you that is also a man, men also, women mostly they love romantic something. Go and buy something, even though it's just common hearing or it's just common wristwatch or anything, just buy one shirt like that or whatever, or all those even she don't have before, as a birthday gift. Put it in where she will get it on her birthday. It's not compulsory that you also one heavy igbe, you use million to do a party for your woman or your fiance. No be that one she will tell love. No. So that's what I'm saying. You at times, what I'm trying to say here is that you say we are talking of how to engage a woman. You understand? How to engage a woman. So at times it is very good you do it in a romantic way. You understand? When you do it in a romantic way, those kind of something, the girl will really love you. It's not what you guys don't know at times. It's not really when you call people and start doing party, or start doing unimaginable thing, nearly die in the public. Those are not part of life. I know it's very good. Maybe you want to show the whole world that you really love your fiancé or whatever. But the other aspect of love, that's the area I'm telling you. Make some sacrifice. Yes. If you want to show to somebody that you really love that person, you make some sacrifice. Some men are not ready to make. They might engage the woman now or give her wedding ring at times where the mother of the lady will call and say, my mother is very sick, or my person is very, say for example, I'm saying I'm not praying for you to fall into sickness or whatever. You say, why are you sick? You say, this one wey I never marry. You say, this one wey I never marry. If mama don dey sick or if papa don dey sick, me I don't have money for sickness, and you don't engage am. So if you really love that person, you start making sacrifice. Start making sacrifice for the person. If the mother is sick or the father is sick, you sit down one to one, you tackle it together on how to raise cash, because if they are talking of sick parents as in-law, we will know that now we are talking of pocket here. You sit down one to one, you raise cash and give to your in-law. Those are one of the things. It's not whether where the man engage you or when the man does not engage you, and so many other instances are there. You stay together, you do things together, you stay with each other when there is stress. You plan things together, do things together one to one. No, after engagement, or after do the engagement where the lady want you to do the engagement, then after all you start doing things on your own. You don't even have feelings for the lady. Maybe she's very sick or she have one problem or another. You are not there for her. What's the need of doing the engagement? What is the need of engaging that girl? What's the need? So, my dear lovely people of God, try and unite yourselves. They see Oyibo people, two of them go just dey together. They go just dey gum. I know say some still bad, but imitate the good ones. Imitate the good, copy from all those good people. Try and copy from them. So that's all I have to say about engagement in African marriage. So, my dear lovely people of God, after you watch this video, if you like it, give this video a thumbs up, share it, subscribe, share it to your good ones. You get a lot here. This is Ruben Doris. If you have never subscribed, just subscribe and get all the good made here. God bless you for loving and for sharing my video. Bye. See you in my next video.